your favorite channel Online Exam Center, and as per the thumbnail, if you are usually worker of Google Form, usually you works on Google Form, you are a teacher and you create quizzes for your students for so many times, then you will have to mostly type the questions by your hand, and if the quiz is so long, then it will take too much time to write the question. Okay, so I am going to give you the simple idea that how you can create some questions, create some long quizzes very fast. I am just going to give you a smart trick by which you can write the question, by which you can make the questions. Okay, there here some good qualities of Google Form is that it can easily create the result, and if it is selected in quiz mode, if you are going to select in quiz mode, then it can easily create the result also. And another benefit of the Google Form is that it will send the individual result to every student through mail, and it will also send the response sheet, which will help students to make analysis of the responses. And when you are going to make questions, if you are not a typing expert, then it will take too much time to make the questions. So here you can use the options to upload the questions. I am not going to ask anything here, just I am going to ask the name of the student. Okay, name, yeah, we are just putting name, and thereafter we are making the section. You know these basic things, whatever you want to ask from the students. I am just going to tell you how to make questions, how to upload questions very fast. Okay, so here this is the question format, and this is multiple choice selected, and here this is image. Okay, you can use this image symbol and click over this image symbol, and just already take some screenshot of such questions. You can take a screenshot of these questions, and for this you will use some application which can take the screenshot, or you may use your camera to take the photograph of this question. Thereafter you may crop the image and you may save the image to your gallery. Okay, so we will get some questions in the form of images, and here we can upload those images also. For example, I am just going to create a quiz, and here are some questions. This is first question. I just taken this question, and it will take some time, but it will be less than typing the question. And here you can see the question is well written here. Here the number 10 you may eliminate by just cropping this one. I have not just eliminated, just to show you the questions. You can eliminate 10 here. Okay, so the question is written automatically. Here options are already given. So what where students are going to give the option manually, and they will give the option when quiz will go online. And here you can write the options like A, suppose like in capital A, then it will automatically ask that add all. So you will click on add all. So by default these options are selected. Okay, and if you are going to select this is in quiz mode, so here you will have to convert this into quizzes. Okay, here you will have to convert this into make this quizzes. Okay, and we are going to give the result later on. Okay, let me select this one after each submission. Okay, so now we are going to save this one. Okay, now we will have to put the right answers also. Here we will have to put the marks given to the question. We are going to give just 1 marks, and if I don't know what is the actual answer, but let's suppose if the answer is 1 A, so we will select the A here and we will keep it done. Thereafter you have to do nothing, just copy this question. Okay, just copy this question. So marks will be by default selected, that is 1, and answer will be also by default selected, which you can change manually. Here you will have to change the image because you are going to ask the second question. Just again click over the image, and then again go to browse and select the another question. Okay, select the another question. Okay, so in this way you can select all the other questions, and you can make the quiz also. But here you will have to change the answer. Let's suppose the answer of this question is B, so you will have to clear the A and you will have to select B as the right answer. And you can also again copy this question and again you can upload the later on third question. So it will take very less time as if you are not a typing expert, but if you are good enough in typing, then that will be better to type the questions rather than just going to upload this one. Okay, but for this if the questions are already not written somewhere, you cannot take the screenshot, then you may write it on simple paper. Okay, sometimes the symbol of mathematics are very difficult to write here, so you may copy these questions from somewhere or you may take the screenshot, and I will suggest you to take the screenshot and it will help you very better. Okay, so in this way question is created. Again I am going to change the option it to C. So the C option is selected and here we will keep it done. So now we are going to check this one, how to give the exam. So let's we go to preview, and I haven't made anything compulsory, but by default when I selected this one as a quiz, it will ask for email. Let just we put abcsift@gmail.com. Wrong email can be also put here. So name is just UDIT. Okay, we are just going to next. You can see the questions are in this form. Okay, so I haven't cropped this the previous sequence of the question, so you may just eliminate this one by cropping the image, and here this option is A and this option is B, and for this option is C. So finally it will be submitted, and after submitting the response will be here. I have just selected that to see the score just after submitting the result, submitting the responses. Student can see the result. So here the student is getting 3 out of 3 point. Okay, so in this way you can take the quiz. You may select the declaration of result manually also, and you can send the email individually. So this is the way by which you can make the quiz very fast, and I hope this will reduce your time. I hope this will help you very much, and if you like this video, please like this video in description below also, and also subscribe the channel so to get the some more better ideas to make such quizzes, to get some more useful information from our channel. Thank you for watching this video.